of a lifelong dream to open an alligator park that directly competed with the world's greatest alligator park, Gatorland. And where better to open that park than right in Gatorland's own backyard. My company acquired a small buggy tour that operated here. We've quietly driven out those great simple folks who ran that tour and turned the ride into a mind-numbing experience like you've never had. So, join us on our delightfully dreary tour of real Florida, featuring stereotypical cartoon critters from around the world.
You ruined my ride, you pot-belly. Start drumming.
The former owner, security! Now, where was I? Oh, sure, you can see gators at Gatorland if you're into that sort of thing, I guess. But here at Gator Gardens, we celebrate the real Florida with really fake animals. After all, what's more Florida than a cute and cuddly oddball, a fuzzy marmoset, or a real Florida penguin?
You don't make them like swamp buggy ride.
These are the original swamp buggies. Kinda looks like a monster truck and a pontoon boat had a baby. But next week, they'll be retrofitted with a more Gator Gardensy look.
No! You ain't never gonna be safe, Mark. You heard me? You ain't never gonna be safe.
That reminds me, our crack team of unscrupulous lawyers has asked me to remind you to please adhere to all of these safety instructions. Take small children by the hand and board the vehicle in an orderly fashion. Watching your step, please.
You better watch your step too much.
This is a bumpy thrill ride. Securely fasten your seatbelt and pull the tab to securely tighten it across your lap. Securely stow all personal items underneath your seat to avoid losing any loose items.
I'll lose those seat for you, bullets.
Should items be lost over the side, please let your guide know as soon as possible. Stay seated and keep your arms and legs inside the vehicle at all times. And please, watch your children. It's almost time to embark on your tour. Guaranteed to poor children of all ages. Welcome to the Gator Gardens Leisure Ride. Enjoy! See you later, crocodile. After a while, alligator.
No penguins here in Florida. Look at this place. This looks like a gender reveal party gone wrong. You guys paid for this? Seriously? The redneck version with the small world. Who's been drinking on this, baby? Now, shut this garbage off. We ain't gonna do it. I got a better idea, guys. We're gonna steal this buggy. We're going off there. We're gonna find a real life gator hole like some Florida boys. That sound like a plan? Now, if that sounds like a plan, hit me with your best. Yeehaw! Yeehaw! Hey, you ain't got no license. Yeah, this buggy about to get real bouncy. Oh yeah, we go up. Oh yeah, we come back down. Yeah, that's how gravity works. Hey, what's up, guys? My name's Andrew. This your crazy driver, Pedro. Yeah, we just stole this buggy. Hey, y'all ain't got nothing to worry about, though. It ain't like there's any cameras. We're in the middle of something. Whoa! There's the cameras. Hey, y'all smiley wave. Yeah, I can't go back to jail. They ain't gonna let me out. Hey, turn the corner. This sign says lost, really lost. What you guys want to do right now?
Really lost.
There we go. Like Google Maps can't even find us. Hey, turn the corner. There he is. That's Swampy South. He up there looking like a ginger Jesus now, ain't he? Hold on. That sign says moonshine. There's an arrow with a tree. They cut it down. It used to be tall, now it's small. Come on, man. Let's roll. All right. While I'm talking about trees, I'm going to pick out some of my favorite here in Central Florida. See that green one right out here? That's nice. Ain't it? Need the tall one also. Now this one down here makes some good swamp cabbage. Who's ever had swamp cabbage before? Oh man, you know what I'm talking about. Change your life. All right, we're coming up to Silent Jenny. Whoa! Wait a minute. Hold on. Eviction notice. No way. This is where Silent Jenny live, man. I can't believe he kicked him out. All right, guys. That right there is a redneck food truck. That's a Florida yard dog. He's all bite, no bark. Don't try to get me rolled over. And Jenny. Jenny got more problems than a math test. All right, come on. Let's keep trucking. We lost, but all right, I'll let them know. Hey, you guys know what cattywampus means? If you don't, you're going to learn today. I suggest you hold on. Oh yeah, first you get your caddy. Wow! Fired up out a little bit of wampus. How you put it together, you got caddy wampus. Now it's important to look for any signs of danger. Okay, the process turn back. Hey, this one says, Pedro, this one says unstable! Huh. I don't know what that sound was about. That was more stable than my past relationship. Hey, that one says, see you on the news. Hey guys, Pedro was just on the news the other day. Guess what for? Reckless driving. Yeah, they took his license. Y'all smell that? That ain't me, guys. I swear, we're rolling into hollow ground. That's right. When all the alligators here in Gatorland come to pass, their remains are placed out here. Now, guys, thousands of alligators since the 1940s have been buried all out here in these woods. And on certain nights when the moon gets just right, you could actually hear those gators bellow to this day. That's a true story. It gets super spooky here at night. But only 3 are legendary. Cannibal Jake, Bone Crushing over here. We got the Swamp Ghost. Now the buggy have you riding on today? It's good old Swamp Ghost, and his story goes like this. Legend has it somewhere down in them Florida Everglades, there's a solid white alligator with piercing blue eyes. You look into that alligator's eyes, it brings you luck for 5 years, all right? So me and Pedro went to Gatorland. He got some white gators there. Look in their eyes. Played the Florida lottery that night. You see how that worked out for us, both right here still working. Now that must be an old folklore. Turning the corner, we got the ex-girlfriend back. Just like I told her. We gonna get on over it, girl. Oh, that might have been her. Come on, let's get to that gator hole. Ain't nothing gonna stop this marvelous redneck engineer. Especially Pedro behind the wheel, man. What in the bootleg Jurassic Park gate is this? Alright, need to borrow some kids. Hi. You guys having fun? You want to have some more fun? Okay, here's the plan. I'm going to take both of you, yeet you right over this fence, all right? You're going to have to fight off about 100 alligators. You got experience fighting off gators? Okay, you're going to have to learn pretty quick. And you're going to have to mess with a bunch of wires and open up the gate. Come on, we ain't Disney, we'll let you jump. They said no. All right, whatever. Hey, speaking of Disney, you guys ever heard of Disney Magic? Cool. We ain't got that stuff. Wrong part. We got redneck magic, guys. Watch this on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, look at that right there. It's fancy. It's called a clapper. Some of y'all know what I'm talking about. Some of y'all ain't got a clue. From the mythical land of the 90s, my friends. Alright, now we've made it to good old Swampy Sal's Gator Pond. Now, Sal always did say the greatest attraction here in Florida, well, obviously besides me and Pedro, is going to be Florida itself, guys, and these alligators really do prove that. Now, if you happen to lose something overboard while we're in this pond, it's okay. Just go ahead and raise your hand. And I'm going to raise my hand, and we're going to wave bye to it together, guys, all right? Because we have over 100 live American alligators doing what they do best, and that's absolutely nothing. Kind of like the Kardashian girls in California, except our alligators are real. Our Florida real estate location's going to be everything. That's why we got a gas and go boat rental place. Over here, we got the Moonshine Emporium. That's why we finding Pedro some morning. That's why he's driving so good. And then up there, we got a dive shop. All right, who's brave enough for a cannonball contest? Nope, nobody? We got a great special, man. It's only half off. Gators get to choose which half. All right, true or false? Do alligators have ears? That's actually going to be a true answer. If you notice those little slits behind their eyes is actually going to be an alligator's ear hole. They can hear perfectly fine. Now, can anybody tell me how long alligators can hold their breath for? Alligators can actually hold their breath, guys, for about 2 hours. Yeah. Now, a quick safety tip. Alligators can live in any body of water down here in Florida. That's lakes, ponds, canals, streams. They're even known to end up in people's swimming pools in their backyard. So, y'all please remember that, and please stay safe while being out there in our beautiful state. Now, we're coming up to another set of these gates. You guys remember that redneck magic? Now, I'm going to need a big group effort on the count of 3. You guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Well, that was perfect. Okay, my back too. I got an important job for y'all. When we go through this gate, you guys just take a peek behind us. Make sure we got none of them reptiles following us out to the gate. Y'all give me the thumbs up and let me know if we're good back there, okay? Yep. We good? You sure? We ain't got no tailgaters? Tailgaters! I thought it was funny. Whoa, hey. Where's the bridge, man? Yeah, I can see it. That's why I asked, where is it? You where? Well, how are we gonna get these people back, man?
Oh, I got an idea.
You got an idea? Okay. What's that? We can't jump it ever since we lost that one kid. I think it was that third row, right? Yeah, right there. Yeah. No, that's you, bud. Well, you guys got your seatbelts on? We're gonna jump this bridge, y'all. Hold on. Let it rip, tater chip. Just kidding, guys. You know we can't jump that bridge. We better be eating. Hey, we can get up here and take a ride. Let's get these people back to their cars. Take a ride. Oh, man, not a ride now. Gonna go so wow. You go up. You come down. This is kind of fun. Everybody, put your hands in the air. Hey, not you. You're driving, man. You're driving. Oh, yeah, I like big bumps, and I cannot lie. You other brothers can't do that. Like a party on a swamp buggy. Yeah. Did we lose anybody? No, nobody? That's all right. Sal, is that you? How'd you get in them little speakers, man? Yeah, 2 little ones are going to steal the buggy. It's your idea. Wait a minute. He got arrested, so that means you two are off the hook. And we got our swamp buggies back. Wow. It's the world's slowest train. Yep. Alright, guys, well, we want to thank y'all for coming out and joining us on our Stompin Gator off-road adventure. Give it up to your wild driver, Pedro! Yeah, guys, he did that with no license. That's pretty impressive now, ain't it? Now, since you guys survived the ride on the way out, don't forget to tip your guides.